I said, yeah, what a concept. Hello, everyone. We're back for Dayshift at Freddy's, Part 3. I hope you enjoy this, and no, this will not be the finale, unlike last time. Last time, we, what did we do? Oh yeah, we tried to save the kids, but Phone Guys yelled at us. The puppet box, music box, then told us to come back tomorrow, which we are doing now. Hope you enjoy. So, now that you're all caught up, let's do this. Employee?
Hello?
Hello. Employee, welcome back. So good to see you again. Day 3, huh? Wow, you're doing well. Most day shift workers don't usually bleed out and die in the dumpster outside Freddy's by now. I've been with Freddy's for a lot longer than 3 days.
What?
Yeah, I suppose. Where'd you work again? Colorado back in June and Fredbear's back in 83. Wait, you work at Fredbear's Family Diner. What did you do there? I swear, you need your phone head changed. Don't you remember? You're honestly a very forgettable person. You're a cold phone, you know that? What did you do at Fredbear's again? I was a manager, I helped run the place, I was a technician. I repaired the robots. Really? You didn't do a very good job. Those things were always breaking down. I kept them clean though, didn't I? What are you talking about? We opened them and found leftover buffalo wing remnants inside the robots. You're the worst technician I've ever met. That reminds me. Employee, let's continue our little chat in the security office. There's something the two of us need to speak about. Sure, it's fine, let's go. I wonder what I said. Actually, I'd like to talk here. Employee, I want you to be honest with me.
Wait.
Did you have anything to do with the kids who went missing yesterday? You sick fuck. Sorry. I just had to be sure, you know? I have to ask. Do you know anything about... Did you see anything yesterday? Anything unusual? I already tried to warn you. Employee, I messed up. Big time. I was so preoccupied with the grand reopening that I didn't listen to you in. The FBI warned us, employee. They said if there's another incident at Freddy's, they prevent us from opening any new locations in Town. It's a domino effect, employee. If this location goes down, Freddy's is doomed. This location's life is in our hands. Please, employee. My life is in our hands. Tell me everything you know. Tell him about Dave's deal from yesterday. No, I ain't scrolling now, phony. Tell him about Dave's deal from yesterday. Dave gave me an offer yesterday in the safe room. He wanted me to lure some kids back there. He asked me to do it while wearing a costume. I refused and went to you. You know the rest. Oh boy. You did the right thing, employee. I didn't listen. And now, employee, we can save Freddy's, but we have to act fast. Between the two of us, Freddy's is diseased. That disease is Dave. This has gone on for far too long. I need you to help me clean this up forever. We need to remove this disease, employee. We can make Freddy's new again. Please, will you help me save Freddy's? Fine. Help you? Fine. If I gotta not doing that, heck off, phone man. I'll stay out of this thing. Fine. I'll help you, phony. Oh, thank Foxy! Now I don't have to frame you for the murders!
These things happen sometimes.
Oh, don't give me that orange face. We can be partners in crime. Inseparable. Oh, boy, I have the perfect scheme to stop Dave from destroying Freddy Fazbenders forever. I call it Phone Man's Holy Jolly 3-step plan. The plan is to definitely prevent Dave from shutting down Freddy Fazbenders with his tomfoolery. I'll fill you in. Step 1 involves spraying the robots with air fresheners to get rid of the corpse smell, you know. Makes sense. A can of aerosol. I don't remember. I can't remember what it said. Spray the 5 toy animatronics with. Toy Freddo, Toy Bomb Rab, Toy Chicken, the Trashpile, and that fat plastic bird over in the yard. Let's just spray all the 5 robots. Come back to me. Can I count on you to do that, employee? Can do.
Whatever.
Thanks.
Oh, wait.
Come back to me once you're done. Thanks for choosing to help me, employee. You won't be sorry. See you later, employee. And remember, I'm counting on you, employee. Save game? Yes. We're gonna save the world. No, we're not. Oh, God. That's still there. Okay, before we do that, we always gotta check the photos. What pictures we got? Okay. Go through drawings on the walls. Time for round 3 of Do We Put Up the Offensive Drawings That Children Shouldn't Be Capable of Even Conceiving of, let alone making, yet they somehow exist. Time for number 1. Wait. This one isn't a photograph. It's a police sketch following the bite of Aid 3. Wait! Well, it's definitely detailed. Fuck yeah, Fredbear, up it goes! Time for number 3. What? No, this isn't a drawing. It's a Pop Goes promotion. Lord Freddy's just having a hard time getting actual drawings lately. Who even made this? I hope King Carter burns in hell for the rest of eternity. That was a very weird FNAF controversy. Oh, look, a person that somehow looks creepier than Dave. Simply amazing. You can feel shivers running throughout your body. Now it's time to make the ultimate choice. That thing will probably burn my flesh if I touch it. That was scary. Well, that's nearly done. The pictures you chose should now be on the wall. What the fuck?
I am a man in a Candy the Cat suit. I work for Candy's Whoppers and Chips, home of the Whopper.
Home of the Whopper.
I will now shoot up this restaurant for entering in on Candy's territory. Aaron Snack Mart.
Okay. Employee! He's gonna shoot up the restaurant! Do something! I knew having the taser was useless! Taser, suited asshole! Taser!
Ouch. Pain. Suffering. Electrical trauma. Vast discomfort. Pain. Vast discomfort. Oh God, end the pain.
You're coming with us, sugar. To the electric chair with you, ironically enough.
I would have gotten away with it too, if it wasn't for that orange fat with the fucking taser. I'm glad you can see me again. Yeah, it's me. You're sure not. You're sure not. I see.
Masculinity. My soul cannot rest. On Phone Man's PC, there is a prawn of me, the toy chicken. I need you to sign into his account on the computer and delete the prawn folder. You will need the password, the janitor. Please help me. Think.
Abducted. Thank ye kindly, sir. Thank ye kindly, sir. That new car smell.
Death awaits us all. Yuck.
My life is fairly decent now, despite living in an... Please don't hurt me. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Thank. My life is fairly decent now, despite... Oh hey.
And it, I dig this.
A book all about repairing robots. That'd be 200 tokens. No idea what you're on about this time. Here you go, pal. This never happened, capiche?
Save us. Spray me harder. I am once again not a trash pile. Save us.
Congratulations, mortal. You have summoned Jimbo. What is it then you? That info will cost you 100. Pleasure doing business with you. The password is FoxyLover123.
You know? Uh, uh...
Devour my oven baked avian behind, Orange
Boss.
Man.
Boss. Thank you, Mr. Orange Man.
Stick your dick in the trash pile.
Hello? You know?
You can't, old sport.